welcome back to my channel, Macpacking. I'm Mackenzie Nelson and welcome back to Georgia. I am traveling Georgia the next 10-ish days with my good friends Paul and Will, who you would have seen in the last vlog. If you've already caught up, we've been in Tbilisi for 2.5, 3-ish days now. And today, right now, we are about to get our rental car and we are going to head out into the country to see lots more of Georgia and what it has to offer for us. Are you excited?
I am.
What are you excited for?
I don't know, because I don't know the place I'm going to.
Yeah, Will has no idea what we're doing.
Idea where I'm doing today.
This whole trip, you have no idea.
I don't know anything that is happening. So, yeah.
He wasn't really a part of the travel plans. Only Paul and I planned everything. So Will be surprised. Let's go pick up our rental car. Let's do it.
So guys, listen to me. If you come to Georgia, do not cross the streets anyway without checking the signs around you. We just got a fine of 50 gels each of us for crossing the street in an unauthorized area. What about that?
You know, everywhere in the world you could just run across, and we were within, I don't know, 10 feet of this crosswalk. Yeah. But we just were like, oh, let's just get across the street. And then the cops stopped us and gave us a fine, asked for our passport numbers. So we had to pay the fine of 50 lari at either a local bank, any local bank, or at the airport when we try to leave. So that's it. It's a huge bummer. And it's kind of putting a damper on my mood right now, but I'm gonna try not to let it weigh us down because we are about to pick up our rental car and explore more of the country.
And hope we are not getting a fine for driving badly.
Don't even say that. Don't jinx it. Oh no. Oh goodness. Paul's our driver for this whole week. You excited?
Yes.
Yes. Here it is. Here's our tiny little car. I think we should name her. Always make sure to take photos and videos of anything you are renting, any moped or car you are renting. Vroom vroom, let's go! Yeah, $2.50. Got a hot dog for the road. About a 2-hour drive will land us here in the town of Sighnaghi, which is surrounded by a ton of vineyards. We've seen lots of wineries in the area because this is now officially the wine region of Georgia. And so we've come here to try lots of wine.
We just got to the guest house we were staying for one night. So we have like this nice view here, lots of grapes everywhere, which is really, really interesting. I like that, I love that. So welcome to our room. We've got this small cupboard here for all the stuff. And you know, my two friends who I'm traveling with are really messy people, so they just dropped everything here, including me actually.
That's actually your giant suitcase.
Yeah.
Look at his giant suitcase.
Yeah, you actually saw how I left it. You know, like well placed. Anyway, fine.
Yeah, they give us a towel and a little soap and some slippers.
Slippers, yeah.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
It's about like $8 or $9 a night. This is our bathroom. Oh, it's actually really nice.
Right here, I told you it's spacious.
Right.
And it smells good.
Yeah, nice. It's called Guest House Loza, and it seems to be in really good location. We did say that we had a car, so they're letting us park it in like their parking area too. So that's really convenient. Yeah, and for free. So yeah, about like $8 or $9 each for one night. But we're gonna head to the wineries, and the first winery we're going to is called the Peasant's Tears Winery. So let's go learn about Georgian wine. So we had just parked the car there. This is our guest house, and look at great location it is in town. have what's called an amber wine. It's a little bit different than a white wine, obviously, it's amber color. But they ferment the wine with the skin and the stems and the seeds all intact, versus a white wine. They filter out those stems and seeds and skin before they ferment. Drinkable?
Very. Wow.
Oh, it's flavorful. Oh, wow.
It is great.
It's very flavorful and it's quite sweet.
Yeah.
It is distilled in high degrees as per the spirits.
We also got cha-cha on this tasting, which is like the local liquor, spirit, which is made of the skin and the stems of the grape, like the leftovers, and distilled. I didn't even know that.
Yeah,
That's
but
true.
I just didn't expect like to be made from grapes left over.
That smells strong.
Does it?
Yeah. Here's our shot of cha-cha. Cheers. Gamajo.
Camacho.
I think so,
Yeah.
right? And you're supposed to shot it. I asked. You're supposed to do it as a shot, not sip it. Wow. Hand it to Will.
It's quite strong. Wow.
I just never ever take shots.
Ugh.
And there's a reason behind it.
We can clearly see.
I'm not gonna lie, that first winery, that first wine tasting kind of hit us hard.
Not us. She is wasted. Not me, nor Paul.
No, Mackenzie is absolutely terrible at drinking alcohol.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, you guys, I am a pretty lightweight, but it was really the cha-cha. It was the liquor, the spirit that got me. So I'm feeling a bit buzzed. But anyways, we're off to our next winery. I'll take it easy. And then we're gonna have some dinner with wine, of course. So, if this vlog ends abruptly, I apologize. But we're having fun, and this town is all uphill or all downhill, but full of different cellars and wineries that you could come and visit. So we're going to Oak Grove's Winery right now. Wow, what a great view.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah, this is definitely the best view for a winery. Okay, second winery, we just came to Oak Grove's Winery. It's not so much a winery, but it's more of a wine house where we can taste...
Winehouse, so how about that?
But you should show them the views, because the views...
I will show them the views right behind me. But there's a lot of smog in the area, but you could really see a beautiful valley and the whole town. This is really great views. Like, if you're gonna come to Sighnaghi, come here. So at the last winery, we got to taste 4 wines and 1 cha-cha for 45 lari. Here we got to taste 5 wines from this specific winery for 40 lari. So wine tastings aren't that cheap, but I would say that they're quite worth it.
And
Oh my
they're
God.
more than enough for Mackenzie.
But I'm rich, so it's okay.
We're starting off with our white wine, so we're gonna see how we end up on our last red. Gamajo. Red. Oh, and cha-cha, of course, there's cha-cha. Cha-cha is 75%. 75% proof cha-cha. This is a full body red.
This one's
Ay, no bueno, pero.
No, sí, ya veo.
Oh.
Yo veo que me quieres mucho.
Hola, hola.
Hola.
Do you want to get in on this?
Yes.
Adiós. Wow.
¿Quieres jugar? Bye. Adiós.
No, doesn't want to play.
No.
Playing.
How do you guys feel?
I feel great.
Okay, so after the second winery,
Yeah.
tell me your feelings.
I feel hungry.
Oh, okay.
Mostly hungry, mostly not drunk enough.
Oh, well, I think
think
Will
Will
is feeling good. Oh, wow, thank you. We have just come to restaurant Kiziki,
Kakheti.
Keziki, which I think is like the barrel that is buried underground, which the wine is stored at. But we got a jug of wine actually, and then we got help deciding on some local dishes to try.
We ordered some ostrich because we love that stuff. We ordered some mushrooms on a skewer because
With cheese.
with cheese
Yeah.
because she recommended it. And then we wanted something else, but she said it was bad. Something with pork, something with mushroom, and something with beef. The beef stew is good. The ostrich is a beef stew with tomato and herbs.
And beef?
And I said a beef stew with tomato and herbs. Of course it's with beef. And if you dip your bread in it and not even take the beef, beeping the most delicious thing you've ever had. And it's just beeping good.
Yeah, could be. I don't get it. Hello.
It's really not that serious.
We are completely fine.
No, we're completely fine, and that food was delicious. It was so good that we were scraping our bread against the clay pot. It was so good to soak up every ounce of the juice that there was. So we've just driven down the mountain about an hour and a half. We're going towards our next stay tonight, but there's a few stops along the way today that we're going to make. And first stop is at a winery called Shumi Wines. But I'm happy that we're finally visiting an actual winery, because yesterday was just two like wine cellar tasting rooms kind of situations. So we were told that a tour here at the winery starts in about 10 minutes.
Friends will come, friends will go. They all seem to change while I'm still the same. 'Cause I just can't let go. And there's no one to blame. It's just the way it is. Like stone, emotionless in this world of stories. Like stone.
Stopping at Shumi Winery was definitely a great decision. It is so beautiful. This whole winery is so beautiful. There was a free tour. It was about maybe 30-minute tour where we got so much explained about the whole process of making Georgian wine. And if you didn't already know, that Georgian wine is the oldest wine in the world, which dates back to 8,000 years ago. So No matter what the Italians tell you, or the Argentinians, or the French, no matter what, Georgian wine is where it all started. So it's really, really cool being able to explore a winery from the root of wine. And this winery in particular has had so many award-winning wines. So we got to try a few of them, and we tried 4 different wines, and they gave us a little plate to snack on with some cheese and churchkela and some traditional Georgian food. But we are headed to the next big city, which is called Tbilisi, which is where we're going to stop for lunch. And we're just going to have a quick lunch before heading on the rest of our day. We have quite a day ahead of us. So let's go get some lunch. We've just made it to Tbilisi, and we've come to a restaurant called Kakheti, and we just asked the waiter like what to order, because we didn't really know what to order, and it's a pretty big menu. So we just got kind of like a barbecue assortment plate, but also something very traditional called lobiani, which is like a bean mash in dough. It's a lot bigger than we expected it to be. Let's give it a try.
If you have meat inside.
That's really good. There's a lot more flavor than just mashed beans. That's yummy. Alright everybody, I'm going to end this vlog right here in Tbilisi, where I am going to actually pick up a new vlog in just about 5 minutes. But we just finished lunch and finished our time here in the wine region of Kakheti, and now we are heading up north, really, really close to the Russian border, where we're going to explore the mountains and all that a new region has to offer us. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys next up on the next stop in the Georgian road trip. Bye.